Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 14, whoop whoop! So we are here in my bedroom because I wanted to do my makeup on camera, but I wanted to have a different, a different environment than my bathroom. So I moved out here into the bedroom. Lighting looks a little bit weird, but we're just gonna roll with it because we're already set up and I need to get my makeup. It is 11:53. It's time to get the day started, okay? All right, so I already did all my skincare stuff. So next I'm gonna put on my primer. I'm again using the Photo Finish Smashbox primer. It's my absolute favorite. I've tried other ones, but I always go back to the Smashbox. Next, we're moving on to foundation. I'm using my Fenty Beauty again. This is, I don't know if I mentioned this last time, this is the Hydrating Pro Filter foundation. I also have the matte one, but I found that I kind of like the hydrating one a little bit better, and I wasn't sure that I would. I don't know what he's doing in the background back there. Living his life, I suppose. Okay, so we're gonna do foundation. I have a little mirror right here so I can actually see what the F I'm doing. Two genies divine. Do you guys ever get like kid songs stuck in your head? Because I do. Like Shimmer and Shine. It's just stuck in there. So Jack just came to sit next to me and he asked me for some makeup, and I explained to him that I can't give him the foundation because it'll look like he's wearing blackface, and that's not a good thing. All right, next up is concealer. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. This one's in the shade 390. I used to use, because the shade in the foundation that I use is 410, and I used to use the 410 concealer, but I find that the 390, I like the color a little bit better. It's a little bit lighter. Sometimes I'll use concealer on my eyelids under my eyeshadow. Sometimes I use primer, like an eyeshadow primer, but a lot of times I just use my concealer. So just dot some of that on. Okay, so now I'm going to blend my concealer. Apparently a riot happening on in the background. Good times. Mom life at its finest, right, Autumn? Before I do my eyeshadow, I use my translucent powder. This one from Fenty Beauty is in the shade Honey, and I use my damp beauty blender to dip in and get a little bit of it, and I put it right under my eyes. I use it to catch any fallout that might happen. All right, now we're going into eyeshadow. I'm using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, which I've been loving lately. It's really pretty, and I just love the looks that you can make with it. So I'm gonna use the shade Karma right here. So I'm gonna wipe that all over my eye. Autumn, two genies in a bottle, shimmer and shine. I really wish that wasn't stuck in my head, but it's how it be. That's just how it be, Autumn. It's not great, but I'm also a little bit rushing, so it is what it is. All right, next I'm gonna go in with this darker purple called Vortex, and I'm gonna put that in the outer crease, deepen that up a little bit. It's okay, Autumn. I love doing makeup. I feel like it's just fun. It's not something that I feel like I always have to do, but I feel like I like to because it's like a way to express yourself, show your personality, and I like that. What about you, Autumn? What you think? You like when mommy wears makeup?
Yes. I can't see what I can see.
Pretty. All right, so I'm trying to decide which main shadow shade I want to use. I'm kind of going between this Gold Glitch, which I use, it's one of my favorites. I use that a lot. And then Galaxy, I also use like a rose gold shade. This one's more of like a gold glitter. Which one do you think, Autumn? Which color should I use? This one? Gold Glitch. She right. Okay. Sometimes I use my finger, sometimes I use a brush. Today, let's try the brush. See how this works out. A lot of times I like to wet my brush a little bit too, but we're not in the bathroom, so it's a little harder to do. Am I right, girl? That looks pretty. We gonna roll with it. We gonna roll with it. Am I right, miss?
Yes.
Cool.
I like that.
What are we gonna do today, babe? What are we gonna do today?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you want to do today?
Puzzles.
You want to do puzzles? Okay. I just love, oh, the glitter shades are so good. What do you think?
You look good.
Thank you, girl. Thank you. Appreciate you. Okay, now that I have all the shadow done, I'm gonna go back with my fluffy brush and sort of just blend them together. All right, so then it's time to wipe away the fallout. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Taking the same powder that I put under my eye and just putting it all over my face. Not too much. I don't like too powdery, so. Autumn. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely not prepared for Christmas. I have so many gifts I still have to buy. I don't know, not so many, but there's like a decent chunk of people that I haven't bought something for, and I would like to buy something for them. If you want to order it online, it's getting close to the time where people will not guarantee it before Christmas, so I need to remember that. I need to buy stuff in the store or buy it online like today or tomorrow, so I get it before Christmas. Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm also using Fenty Beauty for this. A lot of my products are Fenty Beauty. It's not intentional necessarily, but I just like their products a lot. And they just came out with this eyebrow pencil not that long ago, and it was recommended to me by a friend, and I love it. So I've been using it. This one is in the shade, I don't know. Oh, black brown. It's in the shade black brown. Cause they had like a darker one that I think was like black, or I don't remember what it was called, but it was too dark, and this one's like more of a just dark brown, which is what my hair color is. It's not black, it's just like a really dark brown, so this is perfect. So we're gonna do our eyebrows. I am not an eyebrow champion. I do okay, but not a pro for sure. I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, and my brows are done. Autumn, would you like some brow? Okay, come here. Oh, yes. Looking fresh to death. Perfect. We love a good... Oh, yes, ma'am. Look in the mirror. You look so beautiful. We love it. Gorgeous. Okay. What's next? Bronzer? Okay, we're gonna do some bronzer now. All right, up next is the bronzer. Also, you guessed it, Fenty Beauty. This one's in the shade Cocoa Naughty. You want some bronzer? Just a little bit, because this is kind of dark Autumn, and you have much lighter skin than Mommy has. So again, we don't want to be out here wearing blackface. It's not a good look. We love a bronze goddess. Yes. The glow up is real. All right, next up we do some highlight. Mommy loves a good highlight. Don't we all? Also, Fenty Beauty. This one is in Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. So it's like a duo. I like to just mix both the colors, honestly, because I like them together. So, a little cheekbones. Want any cheekbones?
Yes.
Okay. Highlight the cheekbones. Yes, queen.
Love it.
A little bit on the nose. Yes, she knows so well. And then I also use my highlight to do a little inner corner highlight on my eyes. So I go into the shade Mo Honey in the same little duo that I was using. I just highlight my inner corner just a little bit. I don't know why I forgot eyeliner, but I did, so we're gonna do that now. So again, bet you can't guess what company this is. Fenty Beauty. This is their Fly Liner in 'Cause I'm Black. That's the shade. Oh, that's bad. That's so bad. That is so bad. Okay, eyeliner is done and looking fabulous. All right, almost last step, we're gonna do some mascara. This one is in the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. All right, last step, or almost last step again, is lips. So I'm going to use my little lip kit from Huda Beauty. We're going to line our lips with this Trophy Wife. Love this color. The name is but the color is beautiful. It's like a really pretty rosewood pink, I believe they describe it as.
Elsa got a weight, and I got 2 weights.
Okay, so next is the Trophy Wife matte lipstick.
Also have a lipstick.
Yeah.
Lipstick.
Beauty queen. Okay, last step on the lips is we're gonna go in with this topper in the shade Shameless. It's basically just glitter. So I try to put too much. This is my technique for spreading it around. Very scientific.
I like that.
But you know what? It gets results, so. You want some? We are done on lips. All right, and now the final step in any good makeup routine is the setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. It's my favorite one to use. Just gonna spritz this. And we're ready. All right, so that is my makeup routine. Now we're gonna go downstairs and get some coffee.
Coffee.
Because it is now 12:30 and we've had no coffee yet, Autumn. It's a problem. It's a problem, right? Is it a problem? It really is. All right, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing a, I believe in Santa pullover, and then just some really pretty black skinny jeans that I just got from American Eagle. The shirt is from Target. That is today's outfit of the day. Autumn, what you think? Okay. So I'm sitting on the couch editing Thursday and Friday's vlog because I didn't finish Thursday's, so my bad. So I'm drinking my coffee out of my little Christmas mug. I went to Starbucks at like 9:30 last night and got a caramel brulee latte, and then I fell asleep and started to fall asleep and forgot that I had it, so I just put it in the fridge for today. I heated it up in my little mug, so I'm just gonna sip on it now. It's still so good. I feel like I'm having the laziest Saturday ever. I'm just so tired, and I feel like I just need a day to do nothing and just feel okay about that. So as I'm filming this, I'm looking at the stack of dishes that I need to do, but I don't really have the energy to do them right now. So I ordered a pizza, and I'm gonna eat this, and then I'll try to be productive and do some dishes or something. I also did a lot of editing for yesterday's vlog and got it up. No, the day before's vlog and got it up because it was late. And then I still need to edit yesterday's vlog and get it up today. And then when I'm finished filming this, I'll edit this vlog later tonight. So, whew, Vlogmas is really catching up with me now that we're like a little more than halfway through, but it's okay. We're gonna power through, and I'm gonna prove to myself that I can do it, which was part of why I wanted to commit to doing Vlogmas, because it is a challenge and it's something that I knew wasn't going to be easy, especially because I work full-time and everything with the kids and all that kind of stuff. So I knew it was going to be hard, and it definitely is. We are more than halfway done, and I know that I can finish strong. So got this. So lately my go-to drink has been LaCroix with ice in like a big cup, and it just, I don't know what it is about it, but I've just been obsessed with drinking those like every day. That's like drink I have with lunch, the drink I have before I go to bed. It just seems so refreshing, especially with the ice in it. So today I felt like something a little different, and I'm drinking a bubbly sparkling water, and this one is the strawberry. So I put it in my cup here. That says, I don't know if you can see it, it says Twin Mom Fuel. So cute. I got this on Etsy, and so I just put some ice. I've been drinking here. It's just so refreshing. I've never been a big soda person, but I do like sparkling water. So mixing it up with the strawberry today. Usually I go with the lime LaCroix, not even bubbly. So really changing it up today with different brand and everything. Who am I? All right, now that I had a little bit of pizza, I have some more energy. So I'm gonna try and tackle these dishes that you can see are starting to pile up there. It's not cute. So we're gonna get on that. When you miss nap time.
Oh, Minnie, you saved my birthday party.
I can't believe in all of today's laziness that I forgot to change the little Santa hat. So we're on day 14, which means there's 11 days left till Christmas. It also shows that I am more than halfway through my Vlogmas journey, which is exciting because vlogging every day is really hard. That's not true. Vlogging every day is not hard. Vlogging and editing the video in one day is what's difficult. I feel like there's so many things that I should be doing right now that the kids are bed, like putting the ornaments on the tree that I said I was gonna do the other day, cleaning up because the house is a mess, and Christmas is coming up and people are coming over, and there's a lot to clean up, and we're having the donation people come on Friday, and I haven't gathered any donations. But I'm honestly so tired, and I feel like during the week it's hard to catch up on sleep, so this is like the only opportunity that I get. So I think I'm gonna edit yesterday's vlog, edit today's vlog, maybe take a bath and go to bed. I don't know, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Okay, I feel like some of that could happen before I get too tired and go to sleep. Maybe I'll have coffee. That's probably a bad idea. I'm talking about catching up on sleep and then also talking about drinking some coffee at 9 o'clock at night, so I don't think those two go together. We'll see which one wins out. But I'm gonna end today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas day 14. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 15. Bye.